Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is total product, marginal product and average product. And through this product we will able to drive the stages of the production and where the total product has diminishing, increasing and constant returns. So now we are going to focus towards this questions. This question is basically now with the help of given information calculate marginal product, average product, and second part of this question is draw the graph to determine the stages of production. And now, third part of this question explain at which stages of labor there is increasing and diminishing marginal product. So, guys, we will try to calculate marginal product of labor. Similarly, average product of labor. Then we will draw these three curves. First of all, total product curve, marginal product of labor, and average product of labor. Then we will decide which one will be determined the stage 1 factor of production, stage 2 factor of production and stage 3 factor of production. Now we are starting here. First of all, just I am going to clear what is marginal product. Marginal product stand for MPL, that is marginal product of labor. अब how you can calculate marginal product of labor? There is basic and simple formula to calculate marginal product of labor is change in total product with respect to change in labor. This is stand for total output or total product. Delta stand for change in total output. How you can calculate? For example, we want to calculate between these two numbers 0 to 3 and 0 to 1. So delta TP will be between 0 to 3, 3 minus 0. Delta L is 1 minus 0. So what you have? You have 3. That is, sorry, you have 3. And similarly, change in labor is 1 minus 0. What does it mean? Whenever we want to take change, so there is basic concept of mathematics. We always take change between two consecutive value and final value minus initial value. Final value minus initial value. So similarly, the change in total product 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Similarly, 1 minus 0 equal to 0, 1. So now substitute these two value 3 upon 1. So answer is 3. So marginal product of labor between these two numbers, it is 3. You got my point. Now similarly, we have to calculate marginal product of labor between 3 and 8 and 1 and 2. So again MPL equal to delta TP upon delta L. So what does it means? Now I can write here 8 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1. Delta L 2 minus 1. Delta TP 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, this is now what? 5 upon 1. Again in denominator you have 1. So it means that when there is increase in 1 unit between labor, so always you have 1 in your denominator. So it means that delta L always be equal to 1. So what does it mean? Your marginal product of labor MPL is 5. We need duster. MPL is 5. So now right here 5. Similarly, we can calculate between further values. MPL equal to 14 minus 3, these two values, and upon 14 minus 8 and 3 minus 2. So you have 6 upon 1. So your answer is 6. Now you can write here 6. Okay. Similarly, go for next. Yeah. Next two values 14, 19, 3 and 4. So MPL 19 minus 14 divided by 4 minus 3. So 19 minus 14 is 5 divided by 1. So your answer is 5. So again your MPL is 5. Now what next? MPL equal to between 23 and minus 19. So 23 minus 19 divided by 5 minus 4. So your answer is 4 upon 1. So you have 4. So your value is 4. So guys, now it is clear how I am going to calculate. I am calculating 3 between these two consecutive value, again 5 between these two consecutive value, 6 between these two consecutive value, and so on. My next answer is 4. So now next I can calculate here MPL 26, 26 minus 23, 6 minus 5. So what does it? 3 upon 1. Your answer is 3. So I can write here 3. Again, so just I am going to write directly 28 minus 26, 7 minus 6. So your answer is 2. Similarly, 29 minus 28, 8 minus 7. Your answer is 1. Now, 28 minus 29. So next preceding value is smaller than previous value. So answer will be minus 1. Similarly, 26 minus 28, your answer will be minus 2. Clear? Why you have minus here? Because your next preceding value is negative. That's why you have the minus sign. 28 minus 29, 26 minus 28. So you have the minus 2. Clear? So now we are calculating the next value here for APL. APL stand for average product of labor. Just a minute. APL stand for average product of labor. Yeah. Okay. So why I'm putting here dash? This is basic concept of mathematics. When you have 0 in denominator, your answer will be infinite. Clear? So that's why we cannot find this value. So that's why I'm going to mark here dash. Now start from this one. 3 APL is what? Average product of labor is total product divided by number of labor. So we calculate when at first stage of labor, total output is 3, number of labor is 1, your answer is 3. So I can write here this value is 3. Similarly, now this one, APL total product is 8, number of labor is 2, so APL is 4, so I am writing here is 4. Similarly, at third stage of labor, APL equal to 14 divided by 3. So you can calculate 14 divided by 3 is 4.67. 4.67. Clear? So similarly, 4.67 we can do for other APL divided by now 19 minus 4. So 19 minus 4 is your 4.7. Your answer is 4.7. 4.7. Clear? So this is your 4.7. Similarly, you can calculate for APL what 20 14 at 14 pay we have calculated 14 divided by 3, 19 divided by 4 we have calculated 23 by 5, 23 by 5. So your answer is 23 by 5, 4.6. Your answer is 4.6. Similarly, 4 point, first of all, 4.6. Now 26 divided by 4, APL equal to 26 divided by 4. So 26 divided by 6, sorry. 26 divided by 6, your answer is 4.3. Answer is 4.3. Right here, 4.3. Similarly, APL next is 7 divided by 28 divided by 7. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. So now answer is 4.0. Yeah. So the next is APL is 29 divided by 8. 29 divided by 8. 29 divided by 8. Answer is 3.6. Next is APL is 28 divided by 9. 28 divided by 9. Answer is 3.1. Now last one is yes, 26 divided by 10. APL 2.6. So answer is 2 point, yeah. So APL 4, 3.6 here, 3.1 here, and 2.6. Okay, 2.6. So I think everybody is clear how we can calculate marginal product of labor, average product of labor through the total product values. So it is very simple. So now guys, we have to plot these marginal product and average product and total product as well. Total product we will plot on separate graph, and marginal product and average product we will plot on a same graph to determine the stages of the production. Okay, which one will represent the first stage of production, second stage of production, and the third stage of production. Clear? So now start here. Yeah. Okay. First of all, I am plotting here a graph of total product. Okay. Okay. One important thing you always remember in your mind, on y-axis we always have number of labor. So number of labor here, number of labor on y-axis, and yeah, and on y-axis we have total product, TP, total product values. Okay, look at these values. Number of labor start from 0 and end till 10. So just mark here 0. This is your 1. This is your 2. This is your 3. This is your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one is 10. Okay. Yes. Here, just look at these values. Lowest value is 0 and highest value in this figure is 29. Clear? So we have to scale in this way. Okay, all values lies in these scaling values. So what? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 28. Okay. So just take it. 0, 2, 4. Yeah. Okay. मैं 4 से start कर रहा हूँ ताकि all values should come in this given space. 4, next is 8. Okay, remember, whenever you are plotting a graph, so take equal distance. Let's say I represent this distance equal to 4. So similar kind of distance, yes, similar equal distance will be next value is 8, and similarly further is 12 and so on. So 8, this one is 12, again add 4 in 12 to you have 16, and similarly this one is what, 20. Okay, add 4, 24. This value is 28. Now add 4, so now next value will be 32. So guys, clear what I do? What I did take equal distance of 4 unit. Now 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Why I did this? Because we have to cover all these values 0 to 29 in these given range of values. This is the way to scale for graph. Now here we take equal distance for of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? We have the consecutive values from 0 to 10 for labor. Okay, start. When the number of labor is 0, value is 0, mark here. When the number of labor is 1, so value is 3. So middle of this will be 2. So middle of this one is 3. So now this value approximately lie here. Clear? So this is actually a rough scaling. Huh? So next value is 8. So now take this one. This is 8. And next value is 14. So 3 पे 14, तो 14 will be middle of this one. 12 means that this will be approximately 14. So now this will be 14. Clear? Yeah. Similarly, what I'm going to write here, this is 14 for your understanding. This one is 3. Clear? So what next is 19. Fourth unit of labor is 19. So this will be 18 and this one is 19. Yeah. Yeah. This one is 19. Okay. Again, next value is 23. So it will be 24 and it is approximately 23. Yeah, it will be 23. Yeah. And this one is again 23, 14, 19. We have plotted 23. Now at the sixth unit of labor is 26. 26 is middle of this one. 26. 26. So this is 26. Okay. And now next is seventh value. You have the 28. 28 will be this one. And this is 28. Ah, okay. Next value is 29. 29 will be here approximately. Yeah. Yeah, 29. This one is 29. 29. And next is 28. Again 28. So 28. This one. This one is 28. Okay. Last is 26. 26 will be this one. This is 26. So I'm going to write here just 26. So you can look at this graph. Start from origin. Yeah. 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 Good. Yeah. Yeah. What about this one? Total product curve. Clear, guys? This is your total product curve. Now next is we have to plot a marginal product, average product, and these values. Okay, so I'm going to rub these values, yani going to rub the graph of, yeah. Okay, okay. Now we are plotting these values on a same graph. So take this one again. Okay. Yeah. Now again, number of labor, number of labor on x-axis. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, what about these one? Look at these values. Marginal product highest value is 6, lowest value is -2. Average product highest value is 4.7, I think, and the lowest value is 2.6. Okay, so now look at these values. We take the distance of 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equal to, of how I am going to scale, zero point 0.5 at zero point 0.5. Why I am taking point in points or in decimal? Because you have the decimal values here in case of average product of labor. That's why I'm taking the value here in decimal numbers, in points. So this distance equal to 0 0.5 and the same equidistance equal to 1 at zero point 0.5. Again the same practice which we did for total product curve. Similarly, that will be 1.5. Again, it is 2.0. Again, 2.5. And this one is 3. And again, this is 3.5. And this one is 4.0. Again, it is 4.5. And now this is 5.0. What about this one is 5.5, and last value is 6.0. So here it is MPL and APL. These values, MPL and APL. So I think it will not be a visible. So just I am going to say here, these are the values. Just I am going to mention, I am mentioning here कि इसको यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ कि these scale values is for what? MPL and APL. What does it mean? कि I am measuring APL and MPL on y-axis and on x-axis number of labor. Clear? So just take here. So now plot. MPL is lie between 0 and 1. Clear? 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, this one. So what is the value between 0 and 1? 0 and 1, the value is 3. Yeah. 0 and 1, the value is 3. Yeah. Clear? And 1 and 2, between 1 and 2, the value is 5. So where is 5? 5 is here. So between 1 and 2, the value is 5. So this is 5. Yeah. And value between 2 and 3, 6. Where is 6? 6 is on top. So 2 and 3, the value is 6. 6 is on the top of graph. So this is 6. Yeah. And again the value is 5. So the value is 5. So value is 5. This is your 5. Keep state. Yeah. Value is 5. Okay. Now between values 5, between 4 to 5. Between 4 to 5, the value is 4. So between 4 to 5. Between 4 to 5, value is 4. And between 5 to 6, value is 3. Here is 3. This is 3. Okay. What is happening here? You can observe that initially marginal product increases till middle of 3 and 4th unit of labor. Sorry, till middle of 2nd and 3rd unit of labor, then it start decline. Clear? This one. And 6 and 7, the value is 2. 6 and 7, value is 2. This is 2. 6 and 7, the value is 2. Okay. And between 7 and 8, the value is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Okay. Between 9 and value is minus 1. Okay. One mistake here. I have to extend this graph in negative quadrant of y-axis. What does it mean? Okay, this is minus 5 and this is minus 1 and this one is minus 1.5 and so on. Okay, these are scaling for negative. Now what does it means? Yeah, 1. So the value is minus 1 between 7 and 8. The value is minus 1. So minus 1 will be here and this is minus 1. Okay, and again it will be minus 2, so it will be further go down, something like this one. So I'm just going to plot this graph here. Look at this values, how the beautiful graph you have for marginal product of labor. Yeah, this is kind of the beautiful graph for marginal product of labor you have here. uh, just a minute, like how this graph you have here. Yeah, and this is, yeah, huh. Yeah, Okay. Yeah. And again, this one is, yeah, you will have this kind of graph. Yeah. Okay, this is your MPL curve. What? MPL curve. Now I have to plot the average product curve. Average product curve is plotting against each unit of labor, not the middle of labor. Remember, marginal product we plot the middle values of labor. Average product plot against each unit of labor, against 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So now first one is 1. What is the value is 3. Yeah. 1 pay value. This is your 1. So value is 3. This is, yeah. And similarly, what about 2? The value is 4. Second, the value is 4 here. This is 2. Yeah. And the value is 4. Similarly, 3. The value is 4.6. Yeah. So 4.6 will be value is 3. So 3 is middle of this one. 4.6, it is 4.5. This is 4.5, just slightly above the 4, this one. Clear? So value is 4.6 at 3. Similarly, 4.7. Okay. At 4, this is 4. This one is 4. Value is 4.7. That will be slightly above this one. Yeah. So this is 4.7. Clear? And similarly at 5. Again, this is 4.6. So this one is 5 and 5 is go up, and again this is 4.6. Clear? So then 4.3 at 6 unit of labor. This one is move 4.3. Where is 4.3 by 4.3? This is 4. 4.3 will be less than 4.5. I think it should be here. This is 4.3. Similarly, what about this one? 4.0. So at 7th unit of labor, this one is 4.0. What about this is 4.0? So this is go up and 4.0. Yeah, clear? Look at this value. Yeah, next is 3.6. Okay, this one is 3.5. So slightly above this one is 3.6 and so on. So 8th unit of about 3.6, 8th unit of labor, and this was is 7th unit of labor. Yeah, here, and this is 8th unit of labor. What about this one is 3.6. Clear? And next is 3.1. So this is your 3 and slightly above. Because this is your 3 and slightly above this value 3.1. So this is 3.1 here at 9th unit of labor. So I'm taking 9 here and approximately this one. Yeah. Okay. And similarly 2.6 slightly above this. This is 2.5 and take this above 2.6. 2.6. 2.6. Yeah. So just join these two value. Look at how a beautiful graph you have for again average product of labor, and where these two graphs intersect with each other. Yeah. Okay. So this is your APL curve. Look at this. Yeah. Okay. How beautiful graphs you have here. Okay. One important thing. Remember, this is the maximum of average product of labor. So what you can observe here, marginal product always intersect the maximum of average product of labor. Remember, and marginal product first reaches at maximum before average product of labor. Second important thing here, again I am repeating, what marginal product always reaches at maximum before average product of labor, and marginal product always intersect the maximum of average product of labor, and marginal product will be zero and then negative, but average product of labor never be negative or zero. Clear? So now you can determine the stages of production on the basis of these three important intersection points or these two important graphs. Select this point and draw a vertical line here. Draw a vertical line till x-axis. Yeah. And extend this vertical line above. So this stage, this is called first stage. First stage of production. Okay. Again, what I did, I select this intersection point where marginal product intersect the maximum of average product of labor and draw a vertical line till x-axis. So this is called first stage of production. And select this point here where marginal product intersect the x-axis. Again, where the marginal product intersect the x-axis, draw a vertical line till above, and this vertical line till above. Again, I am drawing this vertical line. Okay, this vertical line. What going to explain this vertical line? Okay, this vertical line represent second stage of production. Second stage of production. And this one is third. Okay, third stage of production start negative of marginal product of labor. Clear? So now these are the three stages of the production. First stage start from 0 till end of intersection point of average product of labor and marginal product of labor. And second stage of production start from this intersection point till end when marginal product becomes 0. And third stage of production start from when marginal product become negative. So this is called third stage of production. So now through these two graphs you can determine these stages of production. Now the last part of my question is that can explain or determine at what stage of labor marginal product is increases and diminishes. So marginal product increases till that point. Clear? That point. So now this is the point till the marginal product is increases. So it means that is approximately 2.5 unit of labor. marginal product is continuously increases, and after 2.5 unit of labor, marginal product continuously diminishing. So I can write here last part of this question, till 2.5 units of labor, MPL increases. Clear? Second point, till after 2.5 units of labor, MPL continuously decreases. So student, this lecture is now completed, and hopefully I think everything should be clear for you. The again I am repeating, the objective of this topic was to determine the marginal product, average product through the total product values, and then we try to draw the graph of total product curve, marginal product and average product curve. And similarly, that graph we determined what are the stages of the production and why this is important, stages of the production. Then we decide till what stage of labor the marginal product of labor continuously increases and then start diminish. ठीक है? Thank you so much. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.